moving to Teamcenter X, practically you are moving from owning the software and operating the software, securing the software, optimizing, upgrading it, managing the infrastructure where this software is running, to having Siemens doing all these tasks for you. So a lot of things that they have been expensive, they have been challenging, is not your problem any longer. How much it will cost you to run your own data center, your own server, storage, networking, virtualization, operations, backup, upgrades. You will get all the benefits without you having an upfront investment. So the benefits that Teamcenter X delivers needs to be measured in terms of total cost of ownership over a period of time. Trusting us operating the software on your behalf and make it available for access versus you doing the same thing with your own resources on your own data centers. The benefit is that how much money you save over a period of time by paying Siemens to operate the software on your behalf. The overall cost over a 3-year or 5-year period of Teamcenter X will be significantly lower than the cost of operating your own Teamcenter, having purchased the licenses, paying for maintenance, maintenance of your infrastructure, of other software you're using. The cost over a period of time, if you will factor other costs associated with you operating the software, ends up to be significantly less than an on-prem deployment.